Good day. Do you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I'm Emeline Arequioma, 32 years old, from Bunay, Angadanan, Isabela. I have one sister and one brother. I'm the eldest children of my family. I've taken up my Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management at Arellano University.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have a work experience in Qatar, 2015. My main job is to taking care of the house, cleaning, cooking, baking, doing the laundry, and ironing. I've also taken up the 2 years old and the 7 years old kid. I also have experience in Singapore, last 2019. My main job is to take care of the 2-month-old and the 2 years old kid. And also I do the cleaning, the ironing, the laundry, and cooking some Chinese food. My last job was in Saudi Arabia last 2010. My main job is to taking care of the house, cleaning, mopping, vacuuming. I also do the cooking and the making of salads for my employers.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check the temperature, making them calm, and tell to my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a loyal, honest, and a very hardworking person. I also have the initiative to work.
Do you have any tattoo?
No.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to have a better life, to have a great opportunity to myself, and to have a financial stable.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My mother, I have also my sister and my brother to help me.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I call them and I will chat them.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
When I wake up in 6 o'clock in the morning and I sleep like 10 or 11 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
To be patient. I have a patience with the kids. I also have the experience on how to manage them for their moods and their characters.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework
Yes.
there?
Yes.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I'm willing and to extend my contract.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employers, Ma'am and Sir, good day. I'm a very hardworking person, loyal, and I have a joyful heart. Hope to see you very soon in the future. Thank you so much.